Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to compress data in native iOS application with Swift. Now here I'm just compressing a string, so this doesn't make sense. I'm not sure what all kind of data you can compress. I think you can compress file as well, but what I have gathered is you will have to convert whatever data you have inside an nh data, then only you can use this compression technique. There is no UI to show as such, but I'm using UI kit. If you want, you can use Swift UI as well. So basically I have one sample string, okay, then I have to convert that sample string to data, so that's what I'm using over here. Once it is converted to data, I have to typecast it to nh data. Once that is done, I can use this compress technique, okay, and here you can find any algorithm. So like there are different types of algorithm for compression. So I really don't know what's the difference between all of this, but you can use whatever makes sense to you. And so here is your compressed data. So here you can see I'm just printing out our compressed data, okay. Now to decompress it, again you just have to use compressed data dot decompress, pass the same pass the same algorithm which you have used for compression over here as well. And once you do that, you will get the data. Again you have to typecast that nh data to data. Once you typecast it to data, then you can use the string. So here you will get decompressed string, and I'm just printing it to the console. So here you can see this is the decompressed string. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.